Today we're making Spanish rice. And to make this delicious Spanish rice, we are gonna need 3 cups of white rice of your choice, half a cup of sliced onions, mixed vegetables medley, chicken base, and a special Goya Sazon, some salt, and 6 cups of water. Okay, so we're gonna start the process here. We're gonna put the 6 cups of water in a pan. We're gonna add the Goya Sazon, half spoon of salt, half spoon of chicken base, and now we're gonna make the rice. And to make this rice, we need to put it on a pan, or in my case, I'm doing it on a grill, on a flat grill, with some like 1/4 of a cup of oil, then the onions, and what we're gonna do is saute the rice. And what we're doing is light frying it to give it a crispy look. So at this time, the rice looks like it's about to be ready. So we're gonna remove it out of the grill, and we're gonna just wait for the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, then we're gonna add the rice. Remember, you gotta make sure that the water is boiling in order for you to add the rice. This will prevent from the rice to start like melting or get starchy. Okay, once the rice is cooked, add the mixed vegetables. And it's ready, guys. So we're just mixing it in well enough. And this is how it's supposed to look at the end. And this is the final result, guys. I hope you guys like it. Try our recipe and enjoy, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.